Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holders? So, what's the next of Bittorrent? And upcoming days, they going up or they falls down? Exactly, very big question from a lot of holder, my friends. BTT holder tell me to play still as in upcoming days they moving up or they falls down. Exactly, very badly falls down, my friend BTT. So let's start this brand video. I request you please subscribe our YouTube channel, my friend. Please, if you are new on our channel, most welcome, subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type video. I hope my brother you subscribe, my friend you subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, my friend, I show you the last 7 days chart, my friend. If you can see here this time the last 7 days chart, I open it in the price as 0.01 US dollar, my friend. This time change occur minus 20.73%, very bad change, my friend. But if I draw, my friend, this type 2 line, exactly we understand today going up or they fails down, my friend. At the resistance line you can see here they also fails down, my friend. So this is very bad for this today. Can go down from the resistance line. You can see here they going like this. Absolutely they cannot take they cannot cross the resistance line. So my friends, you can see here after this they take again very high fails down, my friend. So this is very bad news for everyone, and I tell you my BTT holder to in upcoming days 1 or 2 days absolutely the all crypto market very badly falls down. So therefore BTT also fails down more, my friend. So this is not me to you sell it. Absolutely you don't sell it. Please hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit, they make you millionaire. So thanks for watching, my brother. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. I try to make a special video for everyone if I have any information, my friend. So thanks for watching. Please like this video, my friend. In upcoming days they fails down more, so please don't sell it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care, subscribe channel, like video.